Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and I just wanted to say a massive thank you to all my wonderful, powerful subscribers out there. We have just passed the 700 subscriber milestone, and I'm super excited to have gotten there. It means that we're 70% of the way towards hitting that magic 1,000 subscribers, and it wouldn't have been possible without all of your wonderful support and encouragement and enthusiasm for all of the tutorials and education videos that we're putting out about Facebook and Instagram ads. And we've got a couple of exciting announcements to make. The first one is we're going to be doing some more course reviews in the next couple of months. It's been a busy one recently, putting out content and new videos every day. So we're really looking forward to getting back into reviewing the courses. We're also going to be having a look at the final bits and pieces of the Meta Business Suite, as well as looking at some of the frequently asked questions a lot of you have about Facebook advertising, Facebook marketing. So stay tuned. It's going to be an exciting couple of months. Remember, we've got a new video coming out every single day until the end of April 2022. So thanks, everybody. Really appreciate your support, and we'll see you in a wee bit. Thanks very much.